Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well and safe and sound at home. I am well. I am Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics Department, Guruduar Government College, Kishorganj. I will discuss about tangent line to a curve, which is a part of differential geometry. Now, I will draw a curve. This is a curve. PU is a point at the curve, and Q is a neighboring point, Q plus GU. A straight line L, which is passing at the point P. Now, I will define tangent line to a curve. The tangent line to a curve at the point PU is defined as the limiting position of a straight line L through PU and neighboring point Q plus GU. On the curve, Q approaches P. That means Q tends to P along the curve. This is a straight line which is called tangent line to a curve at the point P. Dear students, I will discuss about unit tangent vector to a space curve. X, Y and Z axis. 0 is the origin. Now, I will draw a curve in this space. Here, P is a point, PU, Q is a neighboring point, U plus GU, we joined OP and OQ and PQ. The vector of OP is X, OQ, X plus DS and PQ ds. Dear students, in this curve, let the curve is C. A is a point on this curve. That is AP, the length of AP S PQ ds and AQ S plus ds. Unit tangent vector to a space curve. Let the coordinate of P is x, y, z and Q is x plus ds, y plus dy and z plus dz. X, y, z. Q is coordinate x plus ds, y plus dy, z plus dz. Arc AP is equal to S PQ ds. That is AQ is equal to AP plus PQ. This implies AQ. AQ means S plus ds. S plus ds AP, that is S plus PQ. PQ is equal to S plus ds minus S, that is ds. We find PQ is equal to ds. Now, dear students, here the position vector of P and the position vector of Q, respectively S and S plus ds, refer to origin 0. Here triangle OPQ, kilos of a triangle, we find OP vector plus PQ vector is equal to OQ vector. This implies OP x vector plus PQ OQ x plus ds. This implies PQ is equal to x plus ds minus s. We find PQ is equal to ds. Now, the unit vector PQ, the unit vector along the chords PQ is PQ. Unit vector, the chord PQ. This is a chord PQ. The chord, there are many chords in the circle. PQ, PQ vector divided by absolute value of PQ. is equal to PQ ds and chord PQ. Now we multiplying numerator and denominator by R PQ. Now ds divided by R PQ and multiplying R PQ divided by cos PQ. Dear students, here if Q tends to P, at the point P we find a tangent line T. If Q tends to P, then limit of Q tends to P, arc PQ divided by cos PQ is equal to 1. Q tends to P, arc PQ divided by cos PQ. Here arc is a portion of a circle, that is arc length is equal to 1. If T is a unit tangent vector, then we find T is equal to ds divided by arc PQ. Arc PQ means ds divided by ds. This implies x prime. Here dx by ds, that means differentiating with respect to s, which is a arc AP. That is, we find x prime. This is the unit tangent vector. This is the unit tangent vector to a space curve C. Now, I will solve a problem. Exercise. Find the unit tangent vector T at any point to the curve x is equal to a cos u, y is equal to a sin u, and z is equal to bu. It is very easy to solve. Dear students, we find solution. X is equal to a cos u, y is equal to a sin u, and z equal to bu. Let R be a point x, y, z. That means x, a cos u, y, a sin u, z, bu. R dot means differentiating with respect to u. That is minus a sin u, a cos u, b. Absolute value of r dot is equal to root over of minus a sin u whole square plus a cos u whole square plus b square. This is a square sin square u plus a square cos square u plus b square. A square sin square u plus cos square u plus b square. Sin square u plus cos square u is equal to 1. A square plus b square. We find absolute value of r dot root over of a square plus b square. Now, the unit tangent vector t is equal to r dot divided by absolute value of r dot. This is equal to minus a sin u divided by root over of a square plus b square, a cos u root over of a square plus b square, b divided by root over of a square plus b square. Finally, we find t is a unit tangent vector. This value is minus a sin u divided by root over of a square plus b square, a cos u divided by root over of a square plus b square, and b divided by root over of a square plus b square. Now, dear students, I will give you a problem. That means an exercise. Find exercise, find the unit tangent vector of the curve r is equal to ln cos theta ln sin theta this is equal to ln cos theta ln sin theta and theta root 2. You will do this sum at home. Finally, I will advise you that stay at home and save yourself from COVID-19. Thanks a lot to see the online class. No more today. Thank you very much.